Today, we're recreating one of my favorite childhood meals, lemon chicken. Let's go. Alright, so like I said, today we're going to be making some lemon chicken. This is a recipe that I used to eat all the time, and I used to make it a lot. However, once I started trying to eat healthier, I cut it out of my diet because it used a lot of butter and a lot of flour. So today we're going to make two main substitutions to make this a healthier version of that recipe. We're going to be using ghee in place of butter. So those of you who are unfamiliar with ghee, ghee is basically clarified butter that's simmered a bit longer so it browns and gets a nuttier flavor. Now, because this is a type of clarified butter, that means that all of the milk solids have been removed from this. So while it still is a dairy product, technically, the majority of you who are lactose intolerant will still be able to tolerate this product. The other substitution that we're going to be making today is arrowroot starch in place of flour. Now, this is just a plant-based starch or flour that you can find at pretty much any local grocery store. That being said, we're just going to hop right into the recipe. It's super easy, there's not a lot of ingredients, and it tastes great. So I hope you guys enjoy. As always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Now let's get into this recipe.